Tranylcypromine, Parnate, detailed explanation. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, tranylcypromine sulfate, brand name, Parnate. Drug class, monoamine oxidase inhibitor, MAOI, antidepressant. Drug forms, oral tablets, common strength, 10 milligrams tablet. Tranylcypromine is one of the older antidepressants, but is still very useful in people with severe or treatment-resistant depression. Number 2, definition: tranylcypromine is an antidepressant medication used to treat major depressive disorder, MDD, atypical depression, depression not responding to other medicines. It belongs to the MAOI group, which works differently from SSRIs and TCAs. Unlike newer antidepressants, MAOIs require strict dietary precautions, careful monitoring, avoidance of many drug interactions. Because of these risks, tranylcypromine is usually used when other antidepressants fail. Mechanism of action, MOA, normal brain function. The brain uses neurotransmitters such as serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine. These chemicals regulate mood, sleep, motivation, appetite, emotions. Normally, the enzyme monoamine oxidase, MAO, breaks down these neurotransmitters. There are 2 types, MAOA, MAOB. How tranylcypromine works. Tranylcypromine irreversibly inhibits MAOA and MAOB enzymes, prevents breakdown of neurotransmitters, increases levels of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine in the brain. Result: improved mood, better energy, reduced anxiety, improved motivation. Important feature: because inhibition is irreversible, the body must produce new MAO enzymes. Therefore, effects continue even after stopping the drug. Interactions may last for 2 weeks or more. Number 4, pharmacokinetics: absorption, well absorbed after oral administration. Distribution: crosses blood-brain barrier, distributed widely in tissues. Metabolism: metabolized mainly in the liver. Half-life: about 2 to 3 hours, but clinical effects last much longer because MAO inhibition is irreversible. Excretion: excreted through urine. Onset of action: improvement may begin in 1 to 2 weeks, full antidepressant effect, 3 to 6 weeks. Number 5, uses FDA-approved use major depressive disorder, MDD, especially treatment-resistant depression, severe depression, atypical depression. Off-label uses: panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, PTSD, narcolepsy, bipolar depression, carefully monitored. Number 6, indications. Tranylcypromine is indicated for patients with depression not responding to SSRIs, SNRIs, TCAs, patients with fatigue, oversleeping, increased appetite, mood reactivity. These symptoms are common in atypical depression. Number 7, contraindications. The drug should not be used in the following conditions: cardiovascular disease, because it may cause severe hypertension, arrhythmias. Liver disease. The drug is metabolized in the liver. Pheochromocytoma can trigger dangerous hypertensive crisis. Concurrent use with certain drugs. Do not combine with SSRIs, SNRIs, TCAs, other MAOIs, meperidine, tramadol, dextromethorphan, amphetamines. Reason: can cause serotonin syndrome or hypertensive crisis. Hat hypersensitivity. Avoid in patients allergic to tranylcypromine. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Medical conditions to report. Tell the doctor if the patient has high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, bipolar disorder, seizure disorder. Suicide risk. Young adults may experience increased suicidal thoughts, behavioral changes. Close monitoring is required during initial therapy, dose changes. Orthostatic hypotension. The medicine can lower blood pressure suddenly when standing. Teach patient to rise slowly, avoid sudden posture changes, sleep disturbance. Tranylcypromine has stimulant-like effects. It may cause insomnia, restlessness. Avoid evening doses. Number 9, how to use. Administration. Take orally with water, with or without food, usually divided into morning dose, afternoon dose. Important instructions: take exactly as prescribed. Never increase dose independently. Avoid tyramine-rich foods. Keep follow-up visits. Dietary restrictions. MAO normally breaks down tyramine. When MAO is inhibited, tyramine accumulates, causes dangerous rise in blood pressure. Hat foods to avoid: high tyramine foods, aged cheese, fermented foods, soy sauce, pickles, processed meat, salami, pepperoni, red wine, beer, overripe bananas. Number 10, dosing information. Initial dose, 30 milligrams per day, divided doses. Example, 10 milligrams 3 times daily. Dose increase may increase gradually every 1 to 3 weeks. Maximum dose, 60 milligrams per day. The elderly patients use cautiously because elderly patients are more sensitive to hypotension, dizziness, falls. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If forgotten, take as soon as remembered, skip if near next dose. Never double dose. Symptoms, severe hypertension, fever, agitation, confusion, seizures, tachycardia, coma. Management, medical emergency, hospitalization, blood pressure control, supportive care. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly. Abrupt withdrawal may cause anxiety, insomnia, irritability, mood worsening. Dose should be tapered gradually. Avoid certain substances. Drugs avoid cold medicines, decongestants, stimulants, alcohol, especially beer, red wine. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, side effect, reason, dry mouth, anticholinergic effect, insomnia, CNS stimulation, dizziness, hypotension, constipation, reduced GI motility, headache, BP changes, fatigue, CNS effects, serious side effects. Hypertensive crisis, life-threatening emergency. Symptoms, severe headache, neck stiffness, sweating, chest pain, palpitations. Cause, tyramine interaction. Serotonin syndrome occurs with serotonergic drugs. Symptoms, fever, tremor, confusion, muscle rigidity, liver toxicity, rare but possible. Number 14, vital information. Black box warning. Antidepressants may increase suicidal thinking, suicidal behavior, especially in children, adolescents, young adults. Washout period. Important rule. After stopping tranylcypromine, wait at least 14 days before starting SSRIs, SNRIs, TCAs. For fluoxetine, wait 5 weeks due to long half-life. Emergency symptoms. Seek emergency help if patient develops severe headache, chest pain, confusion, high fever, seizures. Number 15, other drugs will affect tranylcypromine. Dangerous drug interactions, drug type risk, SSRIs, serotonin syndrome, SNRIs, hypertension, TCAs, CNS toxicity, tramadol, seizures, meperidine, fatal reactions, dextromethorphan, serotonin syndrome, pseudoephedrine, hypertensive crisis, hack, herbal products avoid, St. John's wort, ginseng. Drug comparison, drug class, advantages, disadvantages, tranylcypromine MAOI effective in resistant depression, dietary restrictions, phenelzine, MAOI good for anxiety, sedation, weight gain, fluoxetine, SSRI, safer may fail in resistant depression, sertraline, SSRI, fewer interactions, sexual dysfunction, amitriptyline, TCA, strong antidepressant, cardiotoxicity, hack comparison with phenelzine, feature tranylcypromine, phenelzine, effect. Stimulating, sedating, weight gain less, more, anxiety relief, moderate, strong, insomnia, common, less common, patient teaching. Teach the patient about medication adherence. Take medicine regularly, do not stop abruptly. Diet restrictions. Avoid tyramine foods strictly. Carry a food interaction list if needed. Drug interactions. Always inform doctor, dentist, pharmacist before taking new medicine. Blood pressure monitoring, check BP regularly. Safety measures, rise slowly, avoid driving if dizzy, avoid alcohol. When to seek medical help. Immediately report severe headache, chest pain, fever, confusion, suicidal thoughts. Conclusion, tranylcypromine, Parnate, is a powerful MAOI antidepressant mainly used for treatment-resistant and atypical depression. It works by increasing serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine levels in the brain. Although highly effective, it requires strict dietary restrictions, careful monitoring, avoidance of dangerous drug interactions. Proper patient education is essential to prevent serious complications like hypertensive crisis and serotonin syndrome. Thank you. Have a nice day.